Guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Just Crypto. This channel is basically about cryptocurrencies, their tokens, and websites related to it. So please do subscribe, press the like button, and hit the bell icon for latest update. So let's start today's video. In today's video, we are reviewing EcoChain token website. EcoChain token is a decentralized deflationary token. Aims to bring multiple aspects together to create stability in the ecosystem and economy. And there is a smart contract available which we use later, and EcoChain Swap. You can buy through PancakeSwap and EcoChain Swap also. EcoChain basically has its own swap, so you can use it, and you can use PancakeSwap also. There is a live chart given for price and other updates. You can go through it, and their Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit handle is also available. So you can follow them on Instagram or Reddit for their later updates. EcoChain Finance will bring prosperity to its holders. This is basically their mission statement. EcoChain token is a decentralized deflationary token that aims to bring multiple aspects together to create stability in the ecosystem and economy. EcoChain will bring prosperity to its holder. You can buy it and hold it for your future. There is a video option is also given to check how to buy on PancakeSwap. Let's move forward about EcoChain Finance. EcoChain Finance is committed to launching multiple projects in its community and ecosystem under the umbrella of EcoChain Finance, where fees and profits will be distributed among our holders over the lifetime. EcoChain will collect and analyze data and help environmental organizations work to reduce their negative impact on society of the ecosystem. Ecosystem finance basically provide other facilities such as one-click application, private and secure payment gateway, external integration, authentication protocol, cloud data storage. So let's move forward. You can go through it by your own. Tokenomics. Once you have entered our ecosystem, you can manage everything with a smartphone, and internet connection can participate in the global market. Their total supply is given. You can check it out. 50% burn in 5 steps, 10% initial burn, 5% team, 5% marketing, 30% pre-sale, 10% liquidity, transaction fees, 10%, 6% goes to LP, 2% redistributed to holders, and 2% to fundraising wallet. Token sale. Pre-sale crypto token will be released on the basis of Binance Smart Chain platform. It is basically a pre-sale, and its starting days was 20th August and end date is 6th September. But it's end now, so it is useless on 26th September. So next, move forward, and their NFT marketplace funds to redistribute and DEX exchange is coming soon. Roadmap. Their roadmap is also given. Roadmap is distributed in 7 phases, and each phase has its own strategic decisions and different goals and objectives. So you can go through it by your own, and you can join them on Telegram through this link. And if you have any query, you can ask. And now move toward EcoChain Swap. EcoChain Swap. EcoChain Swap, you can swap your token and exchange on first you connect your wallet, maybe Trust Wallet, and then you select the currency in which your currency is available. For example, BNB or Cake, and then you go through it and you copy this smart contract, this, and paste it here. I think so. Yes. I put space, so that's fine. And this token ETC is now, and if you put 1 and it is just limited, you can unlock it, and through this you can buy ECT, and that's it. Hope you enjoy the video and this information is beneficial for you. Thank you for your precious time. Allah Hafiz.